Our Philippine lechon is a culinary specialty loved and craved by many for its distinct flavor. It gained 29th place in the world rankings, a recognition from Taste Atlas in May 2024 of the best 100 pork dishes in Southeast Asia. And another fact about our lechon, world-famous chef Anthony Bourdain was quoted as saying, "The best pig ever," when he tasted lechon in Cebu City in 2008. Hello fellow food trippers! Please join us on this out-of-town food trip at KAFARMER'S Lechon House in San Juan Bano, Arayat, Pampanga. One may ask what's for lunch at the KAFARMER'S Lechon House. With the mouth-watering lechon in mind, the less than 2-hour road trip makes us hungrier by the minute. While on our way, we pass through the seemingly endless road with the beautiful Mount Arayat in clear view, which makes us more excited to reach our destination. When we arrived, we were greeted by the gracious owners, Mr. Engelbert Sardenio and his wife, who were hands-on with the day-to-day operation of the lechon house and farm. In our small conversation, Mr. Sardenio related how he acquired the farm and believed that with God's grace and blessing, he was able to build a house and a small restaurant with the needed facilities. His perseverance paid off despite the disruptive challenges brought about by the pandemic. His lechon business survived and flourished with old and new clientele. His YouTube channel KAFARMER is also known far and wide with followers here and abroad. We were allowed an ocular tour of the facilities where we saw a few whole pigs being spit roasted on a long solid rod and rotated at an even speed over very hot charcoal for long hours until perfectly cooked and achieve a golden brown crispy skin. The pigs are stuffed with pressed herbs and spices for more flavor before roasting. The menu at KAFARMER'S Lechon House mainly focuses on the famous lechon, which is sold by the kilo. Other choices are lechon sisig, lechon paksiw, and lechon sinigang, which are good for sharing, alongside pinakbet and kilawin and a couple of desserts. The perfectly seasoned lechon has crispy skin and tender, juicy meat. We indulge ourselves with a hot serving of the flavorful lechon sinigang, a mildly soured broth that suits our taste. We also savored their version of pinakbet for a well-balanced meal. As much as we enjoyed the food at KAFARMER'S Lechon House, we also enjoyed the alfresco dining area and a full view of the verdant greens of beautiful Mount Arayat, which serves as the perfect backdrop for a comforting and relaxing meal experience like no other. Attendees from all walks of life, young and old, local and foreign tourists, gather here to feast on the roasted lechon amid the beautiful scenery, the welcoming attention of the owners, and the past service of their courteous staff. An out-of-town dining place that is worth visiting. KAFARMER'S Food House is open for walk-in, dine-in, take-out, and delivery on Saturdays and Sundays from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. For orders and dining inquiries, message or call 0951 168 4254. We'll see you on our next food trip. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. Thank you for watching.